All right, and we're looking at the next lesson, and it's proportional and non-proportional ratios. And remember, ratios looks kind of like a fraction, and proportional and non-proportional really go along with the fractions, and they are equivalent or not equivalent fractions. So let's go through it. So on page 34, example 1 is a word problem, and they're asking you to look at a chart, and it says Andrew earns $18 per hour for mowing lawns. So let's pull it out. $18 for 1 hour. Per hour is 1. Is the amount of money he earns proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing? Explain. And so if you look at this chart here, you're going to see in 1 hour he makes $18, and in 2 he makes 36, and in 3 he makes 54, and in 4 he makes 72. So if you were to write that 18 over 1, does that equal 36 over 2? Well, yes, if you simplify them, and so on. 54 over 3 and 72 over 4. So those are all equivalent or proportional because they run. And if you were to go a little bit further than this runs down, you could actually graph this. And so this would be the time down here. This would be his money he makes. So at 1 hour, let's say this is 1 hour, he makes $18. In 2 hours, he'd make $36. And in 3 hours, he'd make 54, and you can graph that into a straight line. So that's our lesson to come. Thank you. Bye-bye.